Here we go. Welcome back to Zakinglish, your English channel. And I'm sorry to be late as I am most busy. So this time is for listening. So you have to listen to a track and then answer the questions. Okay? All right, so this is a pre-listening. It means questions before we go and listen to the audio. Okay, we have two as a pre-listening questions. So I'm going to ask the two pre-listening questions and then pause. Pause. Don't play the video, all right? Pause till you find yourself the answers and then resume playing the video, okay? So the first question is, who is in the picture? Who is in the picture? You can see in the picture a garden, a house, 3 people, 2 adults, and 1 little girl. This is the first question. The second question, who is the little girl between the 2 adult women? Okay, now the answers, 3, 2, 1. Question 1, who is in the picture? In the picture, we can find there is a house behind, and there are 3 people standing. At the front door, it's a garden. In the front of the house, 2 adult women and 1 little girl, right? Yes, this is what we see. And on the left, we have Madam or Mrs. Pamela. You remember Pamela from the last video? She's an English woman living in London. And on the right, we have a lady or a young lady, a student called Maria from Morocco, as you can remember. Second question, who is the little girl? Yes, for the third person, this is the second question. It's about it. It's about her. She is Liz. Who is Liz? She is the girl, the little girl, the daughter of Pamela Dickens.
Maria, this is Liz, my daughter.
Good morning to you, Liz.
Good to meet you too. How do you like London?
It's quite different from my hometown.
Don't worry, you will be okay in a few days. Come upstairs, I'll show you your room.
Okay, dear viewers, dear learners, now we move to tasks, which means questions you have to answer. So listen to the conversation again and write T, true, or F for false. True, it means correct answers. False, it means not correct, incorrect answers.
Goodbye!
Subscribe.